In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Zoho Desk. Whether you're managing customer support or just trying to maintain a professional correspondence through Zoho Desk, having a personalized email signature can really enhance your communications. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we need to navigate to the right area within Zoho Desk where you will add your signature. So, go ahead and log in to your Zoho Desk account if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, look towards the upper corner of your screen. There, you'll see a Setup icon. Click on that. This Setup section is like the control center for all your customization needs in Zoho Desk. Within the Setup menu, you're going to want to find the Personalization option. Personalization is where you can tailor your workspace to better fit your branding and workflow preferences. Under Personalization, you'll find Preferences. Click on Preferences to bring up the personalization settings specific to you. Now, while you're in the Preferences area, keep an eye out for an Add Signature button. This feature is usually prominently visible. Clicking Add Signature will open up a new window where you can start crafting your custom email signature. This is your opportunity to express your personal or brand style. Think of it as your digital handshake. Once you've reached the Add Signature section, you'll need to decide on the scope of your signature. Zoho Desk allows you to either choose a specific department if your organization has several, or apply your signature to all outgoing messages. If you're working with different departments and need varied signatures for each, make sure to select the appropriate department from the drop-down menu. Now is the fun part. You can begin designing your signature within the HTML editor provided. This editor is user-friendly and offers various formatting options to get your signature looking just right. You can incorporate text styles, choose different fonts, or even add links. If you have company logos or other related images that you'd like to include, you can do so here as well. Just ensure that any images are appropriately sized and aligned so that they appear professional and coherent in your emails. After you've crafted and fine-tuned your signature in the HTML editor to your satisfaction, it's time to save your work. Locate the Save button, often found at the lower edge of the window, and click it. This will store your new signature settings. A confirmation may pop up, allowing you to review your newly added signature for accuracy. Making this last check ensures everything is in order before you finish up. And that's it. Your personalized email signature is now set up and ready to be used in Zoho Desk. With this small, thoughtful touch, your emails will carry a professional flair that can have a big impact. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you in enhancing your Zoho Desk communications.